Hello friends, artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. Today's video is again a part of lineup of premiere videos by myself artist Resin, June from June's Sunshine Crafts and Gert from Gert Creates. I'm going to make an eco resin tray as a gift for my sister as it's my daughter's birthday this Sunday, and I chose this medium as it's faster and a bit easier. So this will be a return gift from my daughter to my sister. I have measured the eco powder 180 grams and the activator as 60 grams in each cup. I know the mold is quite big and the mixture is quite less. I have taken Demolding colors. The shades are lavender, olive and burgundy for this project. I know it's too many colors, just want to see how these colors would look together. I took two small portions for burgundy and olive separately to add some splats of these colors too. I had seen that in Miss Claire's old videos. If I manage to find the video, I will add the link to the video in my description. So I have mixed the small portions first. Let me add few drops of each color in the bigger cups one by one. I am just doing it randomly. I don't know if I will get good marble effects. Let's just try and go ahead. Now I will add the first cup mixture into the mold. So I'm done with the first. Now it's second cup pouring time. I will go the same way. Oh, I'm still short of mixture. Let me make another batch of eco resin super fast. I mixed the same quantity again and quickly poured it in the mold.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same.
Let's demold and see how these turned out. Wow, I thought it would be something not so good, but I love it the way it looks. Now, what will I do? I wanted to add some flower stickers in my project this time. So let me just find the stickers that go well with this tray.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Kill lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't.
It took me a bit longer to figure out the stickers, so let's just peel the stickers and add them to the tray. After that, I will add top coat. I added few more stickers to fill up the empty space. Oh wow, look how the colors popped up after adding the top coat. This is getting better and better step by step. So in love with this tray. So let's take a closer look at this. Wow, it looks gorgeous. How the colors have popped up so beautifully. Before going, I would like to remind you all about me, June's Sunshine Crafts and Gert Creates weekly small lineup every Friday. So after me is June from June's Sunshine Crafts and Gert Creates. I have added their video links in my description and in my live chat also. Please watch these amazing creators and support them. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please tell me your opinions about the tray in the comment section, and if you have liked the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more such crafty explorations. Thank you so much once again. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.